is going on today, fam? So we're back again today, and today we are working on our Civic right here. We're working up on the EG3 Civic, and we just want to add a bit of spice to the exterior. So any of y'all that's been following me, y'all know I don't plan to do a lot to the exterior. This vehicle is so clean, like, you know, why would we want to, you know, just go to F that all up? But I did want to add a little bit of OEM flair to it. To the front end in particular, I feel like the car just looks a little bit naked at the front. It's a little bit naked at the front. And what can fix that? A lip, right? A lip. So that's where ICB Motorsports comes in. So ICB Motorsports sells a whole lot of OEM, JDM part, well, OEM Japanese manufacturer parts, and they also have a bunch of authentic JDM parts. So that's what I turn to get what we have in this box right here. So we have a front lip of sorts right here. I'm going to go ahead and undo it so you guys can see just what I have here. It's nothing groundbreaking, I can tell you that now. So, but still, it will be a good addition. Before I open it up though, here is the part number right here. Some of y'all might know, but OEM Honda product right there. So that guarantees that's OEM fitment and all the other perks that comes with an OEM part. So I had started to open it up, and I figured, you know what, I'll wait to do it on camera. Here it is right here. OEM EG6 SIR front lip, and we also have hardware from the factory as well. Right here, OEM Honda hardware as well. Altogether, this lip with the hardware ship was $250. I know you can get lips up on Amazon and eBay for about $50, but they're not guaranteed to have that OEM fitment, and I didn't want to go drilling a bunch of holes and stuff, so I figured that this would be a great option for my vehicle. So that's why I went with this kit instead of another option there. So we're going to go to install this today. But yep, got the OEM lip right here. All right, so like I said, this kit comes with all the hardware complete. So part of that includes the actual bolts that are going to hold the lip up into the bumper, and then that includes the retaining clips right here, the OEM retaining clips that fit into the bumper perfectly. These are just going to slide into the predefined cutouts that the bumper already has. Like this one I already put in right there. All you do is push it in, fits perfectly. We're going to do the same thing going all the way down. All right, then from there, it's just a matter of just fitting up the bumper, tighten this lip up, and it's good to go. The reason why I went with this lip, I don't think it's the best looking lip. Fully transparent, I don't think it's the best looking lip, but I do think that the fit and finish of this lip will be miles better than most aftermarket lips. So that was my reason for actually going with this one as opposed to one that, you know, would be better looking, you know, but I really just like the fact of just a clean OEM look. So that's why I'm going with this. So first thing I'm going to do is start to fit these clips. So set y'all up, and then I will get to work. Alright, so got all of my clips on. You can see silver clips running through. Got those all on. I might need to adjust them a little bit more as we go. As you see, like these ones would be extremely difficult to get to, but all I did was remove these two bolts right here. Then I was able to pull down this part of the bumper to create enough room for my hand to get in there to do what I had to do. So now what I'm gonna do, I I want to start to fit up the actual lip itself. I think what I'm gonna do is probably start with the middle one, then I'll do the edges, and then I'll work my way in. So I'm gonna get started with that. I'll go ahead and put y'all down so y'all can see. Get it going. Man, I have to say I'm super duper impressed with just like the quality and the ease of installation. I mean, you know, it's OEM, it's all OEM hardware and everything, but wow, the fit and finish is so good. No trimming needed whatsoever. It's secured super duper well. Like, you know, this is something you wouldn't feel crazy doing, you know, 120 plus on a racetrack. Just hoping that it doesn't fly off or cracking or something like that. It's super sturdy, great construction. The OEM bolts are just super nice quality, man. And that's why, like, you know, as I get older and just more mature, just in my car modification style, you know, I can appreciate OEM stuff more and more and more, and just how much research and development really goes into it. I'm gonna raise the car up just so y'all can actually see underneath it, because I don't think I've shown just how clean this car is underneath. Man, it's nice having the lift the crib. My bike chilling. I'm really Honda'd out here, man. Got a Honda lawnmower, Honda powered pressure washer. Really am Honda powered out. It's pretty funny. I'm gonna show y'all the under chassis of this car. You know, cause I always tell people like just how low the mileage is. It's around 32,000 miles right now. And like people, you know, people see it's clean, but I really think like once you crawl underneath, you can really see just how clean this car is. Like everything's already been coated, everything's straight, no crazy rust or anything like that underneath the chassis. It's super impressive for the year and just vintage of this car. Everything is so clean, you know? Everything is so clean. Super duper clean. Ooh, look at the cleanness. So I had some used oil I was going to turn in. And yeah, I ran over it with the Lexus trying to make way for the Civic. So that's why you're probably seeing a rainbow here. I just came and can pick it up. But yep, waste oil everywhere. Good job, Braxton. But all good. Just pulled the car out just so we could see the lip. The fitment is just spot on, man. And it's crazy to think that this small little lip could make such a huge impact on just like how I perceive the front end of the car. The aggressiveness just looks so good to me. And then like the car, like it already had like this little black like lip stripe going, but to follow the ABS plastic down past the actual rocker, and then it has like this black line right here. It just looks so good overall. The side profile is definitely just doing a lot for me. I love this car a lot. This car is really clean. I got some goodies coming for her as well. Some stuff that I'm pretty excited about. I'll show y'all right quick. Run to the garage. I love that bike. It's cool. I love that I just got my K series chilling like one day, right? So, bunch of parts for the car. Y'all know I had parted out that Integra that I had bought, but I got that Integra that I had bought. cool, whatever. So took off the front suspension right there. I have the, excuse me, the rear suspension is right there for the rear disc brake conversion. I got Integra, I think, what is it, 10.3, 10.2 front spindles, so I can run a Integra big brake kit. Integra Type R front calipers. I have Mini Cooper rotors, so I can run a 280 millimeter rotor. So stop tech lines, pads, all that stuff, everything I pretty much need. New wheel bearings, new rear hubs. So got a bunch of stuff for the Civic. Just in the process of actually working to get everything together so that way I can install it. Want to make sure I have all the parts I need, so I do everything at once and convert this thing over. But yeah, no more drums in the rear and doing a big brake kit in the front, which is going to be cool because I do plan to track this car. Hopefully next season I'll be able to get her out there. That's the goal. I really would love to get this car on track, just doing, you know, some events and some driving. Be really dope. So that's what I'm shooting for right now. Hopefully we can make it happen. So, but man, she's on the path, the right path. I know I haven't been posting that much about this car, but I'm working on some things in the background. Reaching out to some companies for sponsorships and stuff like that, so we can get more parts going to the build. I think this is going to be a pretty epic build, so definitely one of the things that I'm trying to shoot to accomplish. But yeah, I will definitely continue to keep you all updated. But take it easy. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Everything that I use in this video will be linked in the description. Take it easy. I'm out.
Yeah.